In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this fairly new women's Air Force One, and this is an all-white Air Force, but something special about this one is the entire upper is this 3M reflective material. So in today's review, I'm going to show you that as well as everything else about the shoe. And now let's get right into it, starting with the box. The box for these is a regular gray Air Force One box, and it says Nike Air on top as well as Air Force One. And here's what the shoe is called. It's called Women's Air Force One, and then the colorway for this is white, and then beyond pink, and then I have these in a size 5, and these retail for $110, so I think that's $20 more than the normal Air Force One retail, and that extra retail cost is for the reflective upper, which I'll show in a minute. So now let's get into the shoes themselves. Starting off with the outsole of the shoe, it's an all-white outsole, and this is just a regular Air Force One outsole, and then the midsole is also unchanged. It's an all-white Air Force One outsole. The shoes also do come with silver lace locks that say AF1 for Air Force One on them. The laces on these are also all white laces, and then the lining for the shoe is also white, and then the insole is that beyond pink color, and then it has Nike Air in black. Now moving on to the upper of the shoe, it's this entire portion, so the swoosh, all these panels, and then the back heel tab is all that same material. And this isn't like normal Air Force One leather, it's more of like a canvas material, and it's really smooth, so I don't really know how to describe it. You just have to hold it in hand. And this is white, but it also has this kind of shiny part to it that's kind of pink, and it's just like a cream color. It's not the same color as the regular white Air Force Ones. And then this shiny part also is very reflective, and I'll try to show pictures of it. It's kind of hard to show on camera on video just because I can't get the lighting right, so I'll have to throw up pictures of what it looks like when the flash hits it and it's all reflective, and it's a really cool effect. I really like how it looks. The back heel tab does have Nike Air branding on the back, and then the tongue also does have that same branding, and both of those portions are reflective material. So that does wrap up today's review of this Nike Air Force One with this reflective upper, and I can see these being super popular in the summer. I can't remember the last time Nike has done a Air Force One with the full reflective upper, and I could be wrong. I haven't seen one in a while. I don't even know if there's one out there, but I'm sure there is. There's so many colorways of them. But if you're in the market for the shoe, I would definitely buy it now, because I can see these going up quite a bit, especially during the summer. I can see these being super popular, especially if some of the celebrities wear these, which I can see them easily doing that, just because this is a super clean shoe and it has a really nice feature to it with that reflective upper. So overall, I just think this will be a super popular shoe in 2021, and I would not be surprised if it resells for maybe 200 or more in some sizes. I know some sizes on Nike are already sold out, and I think the only sizes they have left are some of the bigger ones, so I'll put a link in the description to Nike's website if you want to buy these. And that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like on this video. I'd really appreciate it. And also, if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.